Hello guys, I Eagles here for another Goodtopia gameplay with my friend. It's Nerfboy 29, the part of Eagle Just Gaming GT. Say hi. Hey, say hi. Can you loud your voice? Wait. I will off my music. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hey. Hello guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. Say hi now.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. You're now speaking. Come. You're lagging. Let's see. Let's see for the elephants. I minus. Hiya. This is me. What? Who is the owner of this world?
Artemis.
This school. Yeah. Guys, I will not. Yeah, guys. I'm not put not a intro because I'm lagging, guys. But I think for the next video I put a intro, guys. But okay. Where are you? Hey, you're lagging. Come.
We're here.
Okay. Oh, sorry for that. That's my brother. Okay, guys. Can you go in my world?
Sure.
In the JG farm?
Sure.
Okay, let's go in there. So for that, guys, that's my brother. You see? This is my world. Um, wait, Nerf boy. What is your name? Nerf boy.
Yes.
What is your true name? In true life? What is your true name in your true life? True life name?
Ryan.
Huh? His true name is Philip. And my name is Vince. My name is Vincent and it's Nerf boy is 29 is Philip.
Vincent.
Philip.
Vincent Colonel.
No, don't say my full name. Okay? Don't say my full name. Guys. Oh, guys, now, now, guys, where the new update? The new update is September 20. Sorry for not putting the new update, guys, because I'm very busy. Philip, we are busy, right? We are busy. September 20. The ladies of Grotopia have been spoken. They want more clothing choice today. We add 13 new items specifically for the fairy gender, etc. And the new card box. Can I have a garbage? Oh,
No.
huh?
Look at there, Rick.
Put me a garbage. Can you give me a one garbage, please? Peasy. Okay, let's go to your world. Come. Don't break that. No. Own that. Ha! No. Okay. Come. It's Nerf is the owner of this world called Nerf Boy. Nerf. Oh. I'm happy because I have now a. Okay. Talking at each other. Your city is
Wait.
what?
I'm gonna broadcast that.
Your city is too busy because I cannot contact him. This is said they don't have the internet. Lol. But I think next time can
You're busy.
we can make
I'm
a
busy.
What the? Forgot. Skype. Yeah, Skype. What do you make? SB? BC? What do you make? Okay. Where's the people? What did you say?
Broadcast that.
I heard that something. The winner. Ayele! Oh, I won! If someone enter, sorry for that guys. My bird is crazy. Oh my god. Thank you for pulling. Yeah. Guys. I think it's Nerf Boy putting some video, right? Okay. Um. Come, 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 come. Come here. We're gonna end the video, guys. So, only like 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 6:04. Come, pull me. Hurry, 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 hurry. Sorry for that, guys. Hey, where are you? Oh, don't put Philip at the top using garbage. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah. Sorry for that. Okay, go there. Okay,
Oh yeah.
guys. See you next time. Oh, let's go. See you next time. I'm Eagles and hi.
Bye.
I'm Eagles with it's Nerfboy 29. For see you next. Oh, what? See you next time, guys.
It's their point then.
But you are the new part of the Eagle Music Gaming YouTube. Okay, guys. See you next time. And I Eagles with it's Nerfboy 29.